If you have not seen the new ElevenLabs music release, it's really the first time since the release of ChatGPT in general that I've wanted to play with an AI tool as much as I have this one. So you're able to make a song in any sort of style. Check it out. But if you watch this video to the end, you're going to see how I'm using it to get good results, and then also how I'm putting it into my code base. So this is a true like build in public. I'm actually going to be building on this video. So again, check it out. They've got some good demo videos on how it works. But the question is, how do you get good prompts out of it? So I, of course, went to ChatGPT and I told it exactly what I was doing. I found somebody else that had some good music, so I took her prompt as well. I'll put a tag to her post in here. And then I also said, here's the actual prompt from ElevenLabs, because they probably know how to prompt their own AI. I am creating a video game. In my platform, I have one. There's just one song in the background. It's kind of repetitive, so I thought, let's put in some other songs. And so I asked for a Mario song. It gave me this prompt here. I took it into ElevenLabs, and actually, let me create a new one because I've done 3 already. So you're going to actually see me create one in the actual in real time. So it gave me this prompt, but then it also said, would you like some variants? So I asked for an underwater level as well here at the bottom, and it gave me this prompt. So let's just take it, copy it as is. And this is really cool. Watch what it does here. So I'm going to go to music and generate. And when I go to generate it, it's going to tell me that it's invalid and gives me a suggested prompt. I love this feature. I wish ChatGPT would do this, but basically it tells you you can't use it because I put Donkey Kong in it. So it changed it in a way so that its own AI would use it. I don't know why it doesn't do this for image generation and like ChatGPT, but they should do this for sure. So let's see what we get. All right, so it's already creating a song for us. It's about a minute in. It uses very little credits, honestly, to create these songs. Let's listen to it. Sounds pretty cool. I'm going to just use it. So I'm going to download it. Let me move this over here. So if you want to see my game, it's right there. Brain climb. And now I've got my drop down here for the music. I have created a little music manager in my code here. I know this won't make a ton of sense for you, but if you know code, it might. So I'm going to create a new track, submerged. Kind of like submerged city better. It's actually going to change the name of the file to that. All right, so it's now called submerged city, and let's reload and start hopping. And now here we got our drop down, and we've got all of our tracks. Actually, I gotta be honest, this first track, my son actually made this one, so it wasn't AI. It's kind of my favorite one. But the cool thing now is when somebody is playing this game, they're able to just do continuous play, and it can go through all the songs. These 3 here are all AI created. So when you're playing, it's a little bit loud. Turn it down. Build in public, work in progress. I'm working on fixing that. But the cool thing here is you can now create music very quickly as either background like this, or what I'm going to do is add a feature so that the kids can actually create their own with the rewards. So as they earn these coins, they'll be able to create their own music. As the child continues to jump, then hit with these quiz questions so that they can make learning and playing come together. All right, give me a follow if this stuff's interesting, or please leave any questions if you have any in the comments.